welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be installing the soffit on this garage. This is a 33 by 23. If you see there, it measures 24 inches. I went to order it from Menards and they said they don't make it anymore. It measures 24 inches there and it measures 16 inches there. Now, could have got the 12 inch, but then I still would have had to splice it and I didn't want to have to caulk it all and all that. So what I did is I'll be using this 1/4 inch plywood, 4x8 sheets. I can cut it in half. It's 24 inches. That'd be perfect for the front and back. And then I cut it down to 16 inches for the sides. I want to take a little time to talk about the most dangerous tool in the job. The most dangerous tool you have is a ladder. It injures more people than skill saws, chainsaws, sawzalls, hammers, nails. A ladder. Most of the construction jobs that I've been on, the industrial jobs and even commercial jobs, you'd be fired if you climbed 6 foot or higher without a full body harness and being tied off above your head. It's always a good idea to block your ladder with a 2x4 or some type of wood, and I like to use these screwdrivers here. You can pound them in the ground and they got a handle so you can pull them back out. Okay, I want to do a product review on these Warner ladder jacks. I've painted a couple houses now with them and they work out amazing. You can put them on the inside like that. You can adjust it right here by turning this wing nut. You spin that around and it adjusts to different angles, so the pitch of your ladder. And then these brackets here lock down your scaffold plank and slide in and out and lock it down. Then there's little pins that go through here to keep these from popping up. So you can put them on the inside or you can put them on the outside. Then I like this adjustable 8 foot to 13 foot plank by Warner. Has a little locking mechanism there. It locks into place. You pull it out. It's rated for 350 pounds. They have the holes for it to lock in. So let's get started. Now the soffits are 24 inches, so I should be able to cut this in half. If you have a problem with your extension cords slipping out, you can take them, make a loop, rabbit goes through the hole. Make sure you always wear your earplugs, safety glasses, and your gloves. You always want to set the depth of your blade to the depth of the wood, just a little past. There we go. Wasn't quite 24 inches. We're gonna shave off 3/4 of an inch. I had to make a notch out for the trim over there in the corner. So now it's a good idea to mark your studs. You're gonna want to mark your studs so you can find them when you're nailing it up there. Painting it later, I'm just marking them with a Sharpie, but if you got finished product, you can use tape or something like that. Now this nailer I got, it's a siding nailer I got off Amazon. I took this hook here and taped it, and that hook will come in very handy. When you're there, you can hook it on your pants, you can hook it on the ladder, right, there's a rookie mistake. I didn't split the stud. So what you want to do is measure from center of stud to center of stud. That way your next one has a lip to nail to. Here's a little tip I like to share with you guys. I've even seen journeymen get this wrong. So if you want to find out the center of this stud, the center of this stud, and you're trying to figure out how to, maybe you try to make a mark in the center and you try to make a mark in the center, I'm here to show you a shortcut. So from outside, let's put it on 4 inches. Let's just say from outside to inside is 4 inches. Well, the inside to the outside of that one's going to be 4 inches. And center to center is going to be 4 inches. So outside, if it's the same thickness. So this is a 2x6. So what I'm saying is, no matter if you pull like that, you're going to get center to center. That's 4 inches. It's 4 inches from center to center. That works on pipe, wood. I wanted to tell you one more tip, trick, or hack. I didn't have 2 of the same length ladders, so that's an extension ladder that I just took apart. Take it apart, put one on one and one on the other side. The other extension ladder I had, I took it apart, and the other half I cut in 2. But when I only need, you know, 3 or 4 foot, I could put my scaffold on there. Those work out really good on when I was painting the side of that house. I gotta get started on this before it rains, but please like, subscribe. I'm a one-man army. Me and my wife own a small real estate investment company. I'm currently flipping this house. I'm gonna do anything from siding to painting. I'm gonna re-roof this house by myself. I'm gonna roof this garage. I'm gonna paint this garage. I'm gonna pour concrete, and that's before we go inside. Inside I'm gonna do sheetrock, flooring. So please stick with me, like this. If